If you guys would like to see how I got this look using Juvia's Place's brand new The Mauves by Juvia's Place palette and the Mauves Nude lipstick collection, make sure to continue to watch this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hey guys, so today is going to be a talk through. I will be doing my makeup and I am going to be using the new Juvia's Place. How can I hold this? The new Juvia's Place, the Nude Mauves collection. So I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna swatch these beautiful mauve lipstick colors from them. And I'm also going to do my eye makeup using the Mauves by Juvia's Eyeshadow palette. So I'm super excited to use it. I love a good matte cream lipstick. So I'm interested to try these mauves because I feel like nice nude mauve colors sometimes don't look that great on me. So I'm really interested to see how these will look with their different shades. So we will most definitely swatch those. So to begin with, I started off by using the matte cork lip pencil to line my lips and give it some good definition. Whenever using a mauve or a nude lipstick, I like using a brown lip liner to make it pop. If you guys are interested in how I created this full look, don't forget to visit my YouTube channel and watch the full tutorial. Okay, so, like I said, I'm gonna swatch these bad boys. I'm gonna start off with 2020. By Juvia's, the Nude Mauve. So 2020 has been a crazy ass year, okay? 2020, if you didn't come out and learn something from 2020, I don't know. But yes, so 2020, here we go. Hopefully some crazy shit doesn't happen on my lips putting this shit on. It's so creamy. I love it. It actually looks like good on me. And like I said in the beginning of this video, like mauves, nudish colors sometimes don't look good, but this is nice. Very creamy, nice consistency, but doesn't have like, it's like you don't really even feel it on your lips. So yeah, I like 2020. Oh, I already messed up my bottle. Okay, this is 2020. I try to get it, oh my gosh, and it really stays on. Let me go on with the makeup wipe. Okay, good. Without messing up my makeup or my liner too much. Okay. So the next shade that I'm gonna go in with, hopefully the one I like the most is the last one, so I don't have to take it off. This one is called Could Be. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Could Be. Let's see. So their packaging is A1. Could Be. Ooh, I like this. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. This is very much so, like, this is dark, but I like it. I like darker. And what I like about the applicator, it's made in a way where when it's time to get to the Cupid's bow, it's gonna define it, like if you're careful with it. Okay, Could Be. could be, if I'm saying it right. I like it. Very like rich, and I like it, but I don't think it goes with this look, but it is a statement lip. Okay, so on to the next. It's hard to get this shit off. That's a good thing though. So when you're out eating and drinking, it's hard to get off. So the next one that I'm gonna go in with is Chic. So let's see how this mama looks. Chic. Looking like a nice classic mauve. That's the point, right? So, whoosh, whoosh. Let's see. This the one. This is the one. Yeah. Juvias. This is the one. And this is like, this is gonna be beautiful like on any skin complexion. I like Chic a lot. I really do. And then just line it a little bit more. Okay, so this one is called a Mauve Moment. A Mauve Moment. So let's see. This is like really pinky. Like really pinky peachy. Not even peachy, but this is a Mauve Moment. It really is. It's more on the brighter side. It looks brighter on camera in my opinion. But yeah, a Mauve Moment is nice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know down below what other videos you would like to see. If you like these lashes, make sure to shop anosiasartistry.com, and these are in the style Savage.